Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today is the kind of like the crochet chat, but with life vlog. So I have a lot of interesting, hopefully you find it interesting, parts of my life. I'm going to try to start bringing that to you a little more often, as much as I can. Just little things here and there. Obviously, you know, I don't want to bore you to tears with too much of my life. So I thought maybe one day a week I could kind of dedicate just a tad bit peek into my life. Anyway, so today's video is just a little bit about that. So I'll tell you about that in a minute. First, I wanted to share crochet chat with you. I've been working on the Zumigurumi. You know, I'm making 3 of these. And what I've gotten done so far, let's see, I'm working on the head of my 3rd monkey. I'm using a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. I'm at the point now where I need to stuff this. And when I stuff it, then I'm going to put the face on it right here with the eyes. And then the little ears. And let's see, what else did I make? Once I get those, it will look like this. So the only thing I have left is the body for these. There's the tail. And I have, whoops, there's so many strings here, they're dropping everywhere. Okay, there's the legs and the arms, the tail, the head. So all I gotta do is make the body. So as soon as I finish this last face on my 3rd monkey, I am ready to make the bodies on them. Super excited. I don't know if you've seen the pink one yet. But anyway, so that's what I've been working on, along with my squares for the Mystery Crochet Stitch Sampler Crochet Along. I've been working on those as well. That's exciting. And I'll talk more about that probably in tomorrow's video or even Wednesday. I think I'll talk about the squares in Wednesday's video. You still have another week, the rest of this week and stuff, to work on your borders around your squares, which I'm only on row 2. So I'm a little behind because I've been working on this. And as you see, and as you will see in this video, a little bit of my life, you'll see how busy I have been. You guys know that I did get engaged and I will be married August the 26th of this year. So we're having a private ceremony, and then we will be flying off to Charleston, South Carolina for a week. We're buying a house. My fiance's house sold. Mine is going to go up for sale later, but his sold. We have bought a house. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, and we're having a big, I guess, shower / wedding reception in September. So be sure and look forward to that. I will share photos, as much of this as I can with you guys. And so anyway, so let's move on into the life vlog part. There's a lot going on here. I made me a list so that you guys would know what's going on. So we are going to start off with the engagement photos, along with what I'm going to be wearing for the wedding. Then we're going to move on into a slideshow at church. I do talk about that my little grandbaby is in. Some new chips. Let's see, eating out after church with some friends, a salad, one of my favorite salads that I like to make at home. I show you that. My favorite breakfast bar. They're a little expensive, the prices. So actually my fiance's been buying quite a bit of them. I think I've only bought 1 box and he's bought the rest. Let's see, showing a little bit of getting some steps in. Oh, and then this is really cool. I do have a spot on here where I show the 1970s lemon twist ankle skip hop jump thing. I do film myself doing that. So I thought that was really interesting. I had one of those whenever I was a teen, and this actually belonged to my sister, and she gave it to me. Thank you, Tanya. I was looking online so that I could name what it is exactly. And I found out that these things are now worth well over $100. So I'm definitely holding on to that. Let's see. And then the last one I think is I showed off some stew and cooked by my fiance. So yeah, and I have a ton more, but I'm going to divide the other part into next Mondays because there's just too much. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on this, and I hope you guys enjoy a little peek into my life. Store that I went to, I found the dress that I want to wear on my wedding day. So let me show that to you guys. All right, guys, here's the dress, and it's a perfect fit. So that means in the next 34 days, I've got to remain the same size. I think it's very pretty. I wanted it just a little shorter, so I don't know, I may end up hemming it a little bit, but here's the back side. I just love this lace print like this. I think it's just beautiful. There it is. So this is an ad that on a slideshow that we show on our overscreens for people coming into the church and sitting down and stuff. We have a little slideshow going. Well, this is one of the ads for that, and it's for nursery ministry. Now the cute little girl on the left, that is our media director, Jenny. That's her daughter, Ellie. She's just so cute. And the little baby on the right, that is my grandbaby, Charlie May. That's my daughter Jennifer's little girl, and they are just adorable. So I found some new chips at my Dollar General. Look at that, Lay's wavy Funyuns. I love Funyuns. Onion flavored potato chips. I've already tried one, guys. They are good. Let's look inside there. I can't get me one. Oh, these are so good. I am loving these. There they are, Lay's wavy Funyuns. Pretty good. Now this is a few of us eating after church on Wednesday night. Yeah, nice bunch of folks there. And there's my fiance. And there's my meal. Now this is my favorite way to make my salads when I'm at home. It has lettuce, turkey, some crackers, apples, grapes, tomatoes, and then there's just a little piece of cheese over there. But this is the way I make it when I make it at home. And this next video clip is, I'm just going to show you what I did with a salad that I had received from U.S. Pizza, what I had left over, and I just kind of added my own fruit and stuff to it. I almost forgot to mention the sauce that's on it is actually honey mustard dipping sauce. I did not have any dressing in the fridge. Normally, I like house dressings from the restaurants or ranch, but this honey mustard was really good. Yum, yum. Now this is what I did with the apples that I had left over that I didn't want in my salad, so I just added me some Hershey's caramel. Look at that. Well, I could have just poured the caramel out. It would have been a lot easier than sitting here and doing that with a spoon. Okay, so this is one of the crunch bars or protein bars that I just love, and it's Robert Irvin's called Fit Crunch. This one is the chocolate peanut butter, and these are so good. So if you need a protein bar, go check this one out because it's good. And then Lipton Diet Green Tea, oh my gosh, it is just one of my favorites. Now guys, my fiance can cook. This is some delicious tasting stew. Oh my gosh, it was so good. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. My life is pretty busy right now. Dating, getting engaged, and then getting married, selling homes, buying homes, and still maintaining, you know, my faithfulness to God and my ministry and church and my family. It's a lot. And with you guys. So I'm trying to not miss a beat. But yeah, life is very fun, very interesting, very fast right now. And it's packed, jam-packed. Okay, guys, let's move on into our Be Still and Know devotion. Real love. Since ancient times, no one has heard, nor ear has perceived, no eye has seen any God besides you, who acts on behalf of those who wait for him. Isaiah 64, verse 4. Authenticity. It matters, doesn't it? We wonder if the gem, the handbag, the promise is real. We've all heard the expression, if it's too good to be true, it's probably not. So we scrutinize the people and possessions in our lives looking for authenticity. What great comfort we can take in our God, the one true God. All his promises are true. All his gifts are good. His love is authentic, and it is ours to claim. Lord, you are God, the one, the only, the almighty God. Who am I that you should act on my behalf, that you should speak into my life, and yet you do? May my love for you be authentic. May my words of praise be true. Okay, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that the daily devotional that I do in these videos, I hope they minister to you. I hope they bless you. Well, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.